This is the best chess player in the world, and he was just beat by an artificial intelligence created by IBM dubbed Deep Blue. This is one occurrence of AI outsmarting humans, but we're going to be looking at 4 others and how close are we really to artificial intelligence becoming smarter than us. It was May 11th, 1997, when Garry Kasparov, the best chess player in the world at the time, lost to an AI in just 19 moves, whereas an average game takes around 40. They had played 6 games that day. Kasparov won the first, lost the second, then proceeded to draw 3 in a row, and lost the 6th. The loss of the 6th match marked a clear defeat of human chess master by an artificial machine, a feat that has never occurred in over 1500 years of chess history. Deep Blue has been years in the making. Its creation began in the year 1985 when a visionary Taiwanese-American computer scientist, Feng-Sing Hsu, made it his mission to birth a machine to surpass human intelligence in chess. Kasparov took on the computer years before he lost to it, resulting in multiple victories, as early as 1989, just 4 years after it was created. Garry beat the AI twice with ease. The second time the Grandmaster played Deep Blue was in 1996, which resulted in his first loss to the computer, although he did beat it in the 2nd, 5th, and 6th game. And then that brings us to 1997, where Garry lost to Deep Blue with a live 500-person audience and millions of people tuning in on their television to see whether or not humans can still outperform their creations. Google's AlphaGo defeated the #1 Go player in the world, KG. Go, which is an abstract strategy board game originating from China, has the objective for 2 players to surround more territory than the opponent. This is a guy, by the way, that claimed he would never be beaten by a computer. This isn't the first time AlphaGo has defeated professional Go players. Just a year before defeating KG, the AI beat Lee Sedol, a South Korean grandmaster, 4 games to 1. AlphaGo clinched victory by the slimmest of margins, just half a point. What sets this artificial intelligence apart is its unique playing style, indifferent to the traditional emphasis on victory margins. However, even though the margin of victory was close, it wasn't merely a close call. It was a strategic foresight. AlphaGo's moves painted a picture of an inevitable triumph, rendering the narrow margin not just a statistical quirk, but a testament to the AI's calculated and poised pursuit of victory. Okay, so you're probably thinking AI beating top players in chess and Go isn't that impressive anymore. After all, artificial intelligence has proved it can outperform its animated creators in certain tasks, especially when it comes to processing and analyzing information. But one thing that has remained constant was humans' physical abilities outshining AI until now. Researchers at ETH Zurich have created an AI robot with the task to learn how to play the popular Labyrinth maze game, completing it in just under 15 seconds. The goal of the game is simple. Using 2 knobs, you have to steer a marble ball from start to end point without it falling into holes across the board. Now, if you ever played this, you know how difficult it is. It requires acute motor skills, spatial reasoning abilities, and a lot of practice. And that's exactly what the AI Cyberrunner did. It practiced for only 6 hours, but still managed to beat the world record set by Lars Goran Danielsson, who's been playing this game since 1988 and set a time of 15.41 seconds in 2022. Nothing better than dedicating your entire life to a game, only to have your record defeated by an AI with just 6 hours of practice. While AI can beat top players at chess and Go and crush world records, these are all games with predefined rules, easily tricked with algorithms and machine learning. But what about games that require intuition, strategy, and a little bit of luck? Surely these things AI can't control, right? Well, if it's poker, maybe not. The University of Alberta's DeepStack team harnessed deep machine learning and advanced algorithms to craft an AI mastering the intricacies of No Limit Texas Hold'em, overcoming the game's complexities, randomness, hidden cards, and player buffs. The neural networks of DeepStack were honed through 10 million poker scenarios. After playing 44,852 games, DeepStack's results were 10 times what a professional poker player considers a sizable margin. But this isn't the only AI capable of playing and winning at poker. Libratus AI was built in 2017 and was pretty much unbeatable at 2-person poker. Libratus played 120,000 hands hands in a 20-day poker competition against 4 top-ranked Texas Hold'em players. It won by a staggering amount and walked away with $1.8 million in chips. Both of these AIs paved the way for the most advanced poker-playing artificial intelligence, Pluribus, the robot that was able to beat some of the best poker players in the world in a game of 6-player Texas Hold'em in an impressive manner. It played 10,000 hands of poker against 5 others from a pool of $1 million earners in poker. On average, Pluribus won $480 from its human competitors for every 100 hands, on par with what professional poker players aim to achieve. AI's intelligence even extends to the game show Jeopardy. In a televised contest viewed by millions in February 2011, IBM's Watson DeepQA computer made history by defeating the TV quiz show's 2 foremost all-time champions, Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings. Watson is a question-answering computer system developed by an IBM research team capable of uncovering insights in unstructured data. Watson was put to the test in 2 Jeopardy matches played over 3 days, although the first was imperfect, blundering the final question. However, in its second match, it went up against Brad Rutter and won with a commanding lead. Watson won $77,147 US, which was donated to various charities, besting Ken Jennings' $24,000 and Brad Rutter's $21,600. It's clear that AI is slowly catching up to human intelligence, having beat the top players in multiple different games, but how close are we really to artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is pretty much the point when AI becomes just as smart, if not smarter, than human intelligence? Well, experts say that could happen within the next few years. Certainly, beating these humans at these games is a start, but to truly be smarter than human intelligence takes a lot more than just winning at chess. So although these computers are better at certain things, they're still not smarter than humans as a whole.